products we show is firstly our PC16S sensor. It's a non-ionizing sensor for thickness measurement and for basic weight measurement. So this is the first new product we show. Second new product we show at the K is our new CCD Cam 100. It is a camera that detects edges, several edges. It's a camera that detects web width and can do much more, everything in terms of web guiding, for example, for the tire and rubber industry. Third, we show our long-lasting IPQ center. Inspection system, this is always new because you always show new features, new capabilities the system can perform. And latest, we show not a system but a group we introduced, which is our automation group that contributes for production improvement in terms of drive technology and in terms of safety technology. The biggest challenges for us is to develop, together with our suppliers, closed loop systems. For example, if we think about color, you can measure color inline with a spectrophotometer, then you can calculate a deviation to the color you want to achieve. So that means you can give some recommendations to the customer what to do and how to correct the print. And finally, you could develop self-sustaining systems like real closed loop systems. However, what is a very big challenge in every printing press, if you just change one parameter, you might change the whole system. And for example, a Flexo press might have 400 variables. You change one, it is difficult to determine now what is the outcome, but in the long run, this is what we expect in that regard. Same thing is, for example, in extrusion. There's also closed loop systems available, but you can only measure within the extrusion line. You can also memorize this data later on for that film that goes to a printing press, and then later on that goes to a slitter or rewinder. So that's what we call workflow, and to do it in a doable way, I think this is together with Industry 4.0, the challenges we have to focus. Innovations we are working on pretty much as we speak. Half of our customers are so-called OEMs, and with certain customers we do develop special OEM solutions, exclusive solutions I cannot talk about because they are special and they are protected by NDCs. So this is one thing we always work on. Another thing we work on is our inline spectrophotometer and related goals. What I mean with related goals, for example, measuring and giving the data for LAB value, you can also determine the ink curing index. Ink curing index for UV applications is something new, and together with our spectrophotometer we can provide that as well. Another thing we do, for example, right now together with universities, with several universities, is so-called functional printing. For example, electronics. You can print electronics, that's what we call functional printing, and this is also something we have been working on for the last years together with universities.